Hey guys, welcome to VRK Homemaker. Today I just came to the supermarket for a grocery shopping in a lockdown situation. So let me see. So this is what the situation outside. So very few cars are here. Previously it was not so. It was very crowded. There will be not be getting a parking place also here. So now because of the lockdown, there is no much cars roaming outside and even people also very less. How is the situation? I'll let you know. Everyone should wear mask. Without mask the inside shop there it is not allowed. How precautionary measures are they are taking, how social distance they are maintaining. I try as much as safe I can. I try as much information I can. And before entering into the shop, they're checking the temperature as well as they're spraying the sanitizer to the our hands, and they're maintaining social distance also. And look how outside even people are wearing the mask. So please don't forget to wear your mask before going outside. And this is what the situation is outside now. And few benefits or few tips I can give you how you have to maintain your groceries in a lockdown situation. And before that, we all, my husband, me and my son went, but they have not allowed my son, so he's so angry on the shop people. Please listen how what he is telling and how angry he is on the shopkeeper. Please listen to him. Oh, what, buddy? What happened? Why you standing here? They didn't allow you inside.
No,
Why?
because I'm only this much.
Okay, so
Because they didn't allow.
that is what the situation. So that is what the situation is. See how he is angry on shop people. So okay, guys. So I can give few tips. Buy in a quantities that will last you for at least a week or a 10 days, because staying in is an essential requirement of the preventive measures. Disappointment that your favorite products are sold out. Try and make do with substitutes. Example, fresh milk can easily be replaced with the powdered dairy creamer in hot beverages. So this is people stand in a queue maintaining social distance as they wait for shopping during emergency situation like a lockdown. They will help you make a best of your shopping time between the this lockdown situations. You may surprise yourself with your inventiveness in the kitchen. Check your store cupboards and pantry and fridge first before you start making your shopping list to avoid overbuying or forgetting something. Remember, you are not planning for a picnic or a party, so first list the practical requirements like flour, sugar, eggs, and so on. With the strict rules on personal distance and hygiene, be prepared to wait for at least half an hour before you are allowing into store. So they are maintaining social distance inside also. Even target employers are or even they are wearing mask and they are maintaining employees also maintaining social distance over there, and they're completely filled with groceries. Whatever you want, it is available. So wait for some time and then you proceed of yours. Okay, if your family members are long term medicine medications, make sure that you have enough medicines for the duration of the lockdown. So guys, I hope this is what the situation outside. They're waiting in a queue. Even we were waited for at least half an hour. So this is what the situation is. So guys, I hope you like this video, and few tips also I have given. If you really like this video and you know what to do, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get my new notifications. And take care, stay home, stay safe, take care, bye bye.